In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. To change theme of your Samsung keyboard, you don't need any special apps or tricks. All you need to do is go into Settings, scroll all the way down and access General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings and scroll to access Theme section over here. Now tap on a perfect theme for you to apply it, and when you're finished, go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!